we are going to discuss the chapter ratio and proportion. Now I am doing some sums over ratio and proportions. The first sum, if A is to B is equal to C is to D, so that root over A square plus C square divided by root over B square plus D square is equal to PA plus QC divided by PB plus QD. Now left hand side is equal to root over A square plus C square divided by root over B square plus D square. Now here A by B is equal to C by D is equal to K say or let. Therefore A is equal to BK, the change value of A, and A is equal to BK and C is equal to DK. Putting the value of A and C here, the numerator portion A is equal to BK, therefore B square K square, C is equal to DK, D square K square divided by root over B square plus D square. So K into B square plus D square divided by B square plus D square is equal to K is equal to K, left hand side. So right hand side is equal to PA plus QC divided by PB plus QD. Again, the change value of A is equal to BK and C is equal to DK. PB plus QD, K into PB plus QD divided by PB plus QD is equal to K. So here left hand side is K and right hand side is K. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side root. The second sum, sum number 2. If x by y is equal to a plus 2 by a minus 2, so that x square plus y square divided by x square minus y square is equal to a square plus 4a divided by a square plus 4 divided by 4a. Now x by y equal to a plus 2 by a minus 2, squaring both the sides, that is left hand side, right hand side, squaring right here, squaring both the sides. X square by y square is equal to a plus 2 whole square divided by a minus 2 whole square. Now using componendo and dividendo both the sides, therefore x square plus y square divided by x square minus y square is equal to a plus 2 whole square divided by plus a minus 2 whole square divided by a plus 2 whole square minus a minus 2 whole square. Right here USING using componendo, short form and dividendo. Therefore a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, that is 2 into a square plus b square. A square means a square, b square means 4, and a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, that is 4ab, 4a into b, cancel 2 2, therefore a square plus 4 by 4a, proved. Now the third sum. This sum is important for Madhyamik exams. X equal to, if x is equal to 8ab by a plus b, find the value of value of x plus 4a divided by x minus 4a plus x plus 4b divided by x minus 4b. X equal to 8ab by 4a plus b, dividing both sides by 4a. What will happen? X by 4a and 8ab 4a into a plus b. For 2 8, a cancel, that is 2b by a plus b. Now using componendo and dividendo, x plus 4a by x minus 4a is equal to 2b plus a plus b divided by 2b minus a minus b. Right here using using componendo and dividendo. In short form, is equal to 2b plus b, 3b, that is a plus 3b, 2b minus b, that is b minus a, equation number 1. Similarly, x is equal to 8ab by a plus b, x by 4b, 8ab dividing 4b in left hand side, also in right hand side. 4 2 8, bb cancel, that is 2a by a plus b. Again using componendo and dividendo, x plus 4b divided by x minus 4b. 2a plus a plus b, 2a minus a minus b. 2a plus a, that is 3a plus b divided by 2a minus a, that is a minus b. Equation number 2. Adding a dt I, adding 1 and 2. X plus 4a, x plus 4a divided by x minus 4a plus x plus 4b divided by x minus 4b is equal to, the right hand side here, a plus 3b by b minus a plus 3a plus b by a minus b. Or x plus 4a divided by x minus 4a plus x plus 4b divided by x minus 4b is equal to a plus 3b by b minus a. So here there is a minus b, so write it here common. So it will be b minus a and 3a plus b. So b minus a, that is LCM. A plus 3b minus 3a minus b. Look at this, minus 3a minus b. So 3b minus b, that is 2b, a minus 3a, that is minus 2a by b minus a. Common 2, b minus a by b minus a. Cut it here. The answer is 2. Therefore, a plus 4a by a minus 4a plus a plus 4b by x minus 4b, x plus 4a by x minus 4a plus x plus 4b by x minus 4b, that is 2. So the sum is very important for your Madhyamik exam. Okay, now the last sum, that is sum number 4. If that is also important, sum is short sum but very important sum and also interesting sum. A plus b divided by b plus c is equal to c plus d by d plus a. If, let us prove that, c is equal to a or a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 0. Two conditions here. C is equal to a or a plus b plus c plus d equal to 0. Now, a plus b by b plus c is equal to c plus d by d plus a. Adding one both the sides, a plus b by, and change c plus d here, b plus d here. So c plus d and b plus d here, b plus c by d plus a. You can write another line also, a plus b by c plus d is equal to b plus c by d plus a. Now this line. Now what will happen here? C plus d is LCM. So a plus b plus c plus d, a plus b plus c plus d. Similarly, d plus a or a plus d LCM. D plus a or a plus d, that is same thing. So a plus b plus c plus d, write it here, a plus b plus c plus d. Now, a plus b plus c plus d by c plus d minus this one, change the side, a plus b plus c plus d by a plus d is equal to right hand side 0. Common a plus b plus c plus d, a plus b plus c plus d. What will happen? A plus b plus c plus d into, give it second bracket, 1 by c plus d minus 1 by a plus d. Now you have to write some statement. Here the product of two expression is 0. Here the product PRODUCT, product of two expressions is 0. Then at least one of them must be 0. Either a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 0 or 1 by c plus d minus 1 by a plus d. 1 by c plus d minus 1 by a plus d is equal to 0. Or c plus d is equal to a plus d. Therefore, dd cancel. Therefore, a is equal to c or c is equal to a or c is equal to a. The same thing. So the first condition was a plus b plus c plus d equal to 0 and second condition was c is equal to a. So the sum is over. That is the very vital sum for all of you. Thank you very much.